Did you know that the world's oldest known sailboat is over 5,000 years old? And guess what? It wasn't even used for sailing across oceans. Curious? Stick around as we dive into the fascinating world of sailboats with 15 amazing facts you probably never heard before. Fact 1. Ancient origins. Sailboats have been around for thousands of years. The oldest known sailboat, discovered in Kuwait, dates back to 3000 BCE and was used by the ancient Mesopotamians for river travel. Fact 2. The Golden Age of Sail. The period from the 16th to the mid-19th century is known as the Golden Age of Sail. During this time, sailboats were the primary means for global trade and exploration, connecting continents and cultures. Fact 3. The fastest sailboat ever. Hold on to your hats. The current world speed record for a sailboat is held by Vestas Sail Rocket 2, which reached an astonishing 65.45 knots, or about 75 miles per hour. Fact 4. The first solo circumnavigation. In 1898, Joshua Slocum became the first person to sail solo around the world. His journey on the Spray took over 3 years, proving that one man and a sailboat could conquer the seas. Fact 5. Eco-friendly travel. Sailboats are one of the most eco-friendly modes of transportation. They harness the wind, leaving no carbon footprint behind, making them a favorite for environmentally conscious travelers. Fact 6. Sailboat racing. Sailboat racing is a thrilling sport. The America's Cup, established in 1851, is the oldest international sailing competition and often called the Formula One of sailing. Fact 7. The Bermuda rig. Most modern sailboats use the Bermuda rig, known for its triangular sail design. It's efficient and allows for better maneuverability, especially in racing conditions. Fact 8. The world's largest sailboat. The largest sailboat in the world is Sailing Yacht, measuring a staggering 468 feet long. It's a marvel of modern engineering and luxury. Fact 9. The role of the keel. Ever wonder how a sailboat stays upright in the water? It's all thanks to the keel, a vital structure that stabilizes the boat and prevents it from capsizing. Fact 10. Sailboats in pop culture. Sailboats have sailed their way into pop culture too. Remember the iconic sailboat scene in the movie The Truman Show? It symbolized freedom and the quest for truth. Fact 11. Different types of sails. There are many types of sails used on sailboats. The mainsail, jib, spinnaker, and genoa all serve different purposes, from speed to stability. Fact 12. The role of the wind. A sailboat's ability to move relies entirely on the wind. Skilled sailors can even sail against the wind, using a technique called tacking. Fact 13. The art of knot tying. Sailors are expert knot tiers. Knots like the bowline, cleat hitch, and square knot are essential for managing sails and ensuring safety at sea. Fact 14. Sailboats and meditation. Sailing isn't just about adventure. It's also a peaceful experience. Many sailors find the rhythm of the wind and waves to be incredibly meditative and therapeutic. Fact 15. Modern innovations. Today's sailboats are equipped with cutting-edge technology, including solar panels, autopilot systems, and even AI navigation to make sailing safer and more efficient. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about sailboats that showcase their rich history, versatility, and the sheer joy they bring to sailors around the world. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or dreaming of your first voyage, the world of sailing is full of endless possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow adventurers. Until next time, happy sailing!